How to use the Sky Chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change a chat theme on a specific conversation you have. All you have to do in order for you to change that chat theme on your Facebook Messenger is to tap on that conversation right there and then click on this eye icon on the uppermost corner right here. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to locate customization, and under that you'll be able to see themes right here. All you have to do is to click on that, and once you click on that, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see the Sky Chat theme, which is right here. Now, if you want to use this specific chat theme on this specific conversation, all you have to do is to tap on that chat theme right here, and you'll be able to see a preview as to how your chats will look like. Now, once you're done and you have decided to use this specific chat theme, all you have to do is to tap on select right here, and now you have changed this specific conversations theme into Sky Chat theme. So that's how to use the Sky Chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope you helped.